Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're going to be doing a small project with vinyl. Don't go anywhere. I have to do a vehicle. It's actually a truck, and we're gonna put some vinyl lettering on it. And I thought, you know, I'll make a video on it. I haven't done this in quite a while. So let's make this quick video. Hopefully it's quick, but it looks like I'm messing up already. I'm gonna be weeding this right here. I actually lost a number here and here. It's no big deal. I'll just cut another one. Now that we have everything weeded out, now we can apply the application tape. So that's what we're gonna do next. We got everything ready to go, so all we gotta do now is install it. This shouldn't take me that long. It should take me about maybe 30 minutes, not that long. So let me grab everything and go ahead and install it. I got my homemade application fluid, which is just water, soap, and alcohol, like that. And we'll take our decals, get it wet so it doesn't stick right away. And on this one I don't have to really measure because I'm going off of the little line right here. And you can either just eyeball it or you can go ahead and measure from there. See, I got 3/4 right there. 3/4. Look at that. 3/4, right on the money. Then we'll get it wet again. The second time I get it wet is so the tape will release easier. And on this one, because I applied it wet, I'm gonna be careful when I peel this back. Like for example, see that one is coming off? We just apply pressure, and then now we'll peel it from the bottom. And then we'll go back the other way. See how that one is coming off again? And don't worry that once it dries, these letters will not come off. I mean, they'll come off if you want them to come off, right? But by themselves, they will not come off. Just like that. Then we have another strip at the bottom. And again on this one, I'm gonna try to line it up with that one, bring it down, and then I'm gonna follow this line right here, just like I did on the top, so it looks nice and straight. Now the phone number goes all the way at the bottom, but you know me, I don't like putting phone numbers on the video, so I'm not going to show you the phone number. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the other side. We're going to install the other one on the other door. Then I'm going to come back and do the I'm gonna do the back too. The back is very small. So we can do that. We can do that real quick. Now, this is for the back. He said he washed the truck, but look, it's not washed. So now this one we're gonna clean it real quick. This truck is got all kinds of dents and stuff. But that's okay, we don't care about that. So again, we're gonna get this wet. Ideally, you want to do this in an enclosed location, like a garage or shop. I don't have neither, so I'm doing it in my driveway. And again, I'm gonna follow the lines that are already there, so I don't have to measure. I mean, you can if you want to, right? But if you eyeball, like on this one, I normally take that off, but we can, let me scoot it up. It's just gonna have to go right there. See that logo is already there, so. Again, normally I take those off, so it doesn't bother my installation. Take this one off so it'll dry faster. Be careful with these ones that are peeling off, because sometimes we don't pay attention and we'll peel them all the way off. You can put them back in, but you know, especially right here where this logo is at, it's not gonna want to stick right away. It will stick, it's just that's why I like to take those logos off. But I wasn't paying attention. So now I'm gonna do the back window. And yes, I'm gonna face it about right there so you guys don't see that way you guys don't see the phone number. I don't like showing phone numbers of my customers. I think it's a little disrespectful. But this one is actually easier if you tape it before you start applying it. Okay, so normally on the windows, what I do is I cut the tape in sections. I don't want to pull the entire thing because for some reason, windows, they don't want to stick right away. And if I go to peel the entire thing, something might be coming off and I don't see it. That way, or this way, I'm only focusing on one line. And if I see any mistakes, I go ahead and fix it, rather than me trying to take the entire thing off. Okay, if you see that your tape's still sticking to the letters like that, bring it back, spray it again. Application tape, when it's wet, it releases a lot easier. So it's gonna be just like the other one, the first one. Main thing is that you get it plenty wet, so that way if you need to slide it, you know, to get the right position, you can. So on the other one, we were at 3/4 of an inch. So this one, just a little bit below that. So the first time I squeegee out, I'm only doing it lightly so I can get most of the water out. Second time, I'm actually putting pressure. You can actually see how I push the panel. Like that. And then we'll get it wet. This time it's just for the tape to release better. A lot of you are gonna ask if it's necessary to install it with the application fluid. No, it is not. You can do it dry because the letters are not that big. So I could have done this dry, and sometimes it's actually even faster if you do it dry. But if you do it dry, you do have to measure. You have to make sure that you're right on. And what I'm doing right here is I'm actually getting it to where I want it to be, where it looks nice and straight. Bring it down and apply it right where I want it. I don't remember what distance I gave it on the other side. This is the reason why we put application fluid, because if I needed to go on the other side and measure so it looks the same, this won't be stuck already. Because watch, see, you can still feel it. Again, this one is so small that I could have done it dry, but when you apply it with application fluid, whether it's application fluid that you bought or you made at home, you get better results. It looks way better. I used to buy application fluid until one day I was like, you know what, that stuff is expensive. I mean, it's like $25 a gallon. I think it's called something like Sure Glide or something like that. I can't remember the name. See, like this letter was coming off. So hold it so it doesn't move and then apply pressure. So you can stick it back in where it's supposed to go, right there. Okay, so the only thing I gotta do now is I gotta do the numbers. But the numbers, again, I don't like showing that. So I don't want people, you know, calling my customers and bugging them. So I'm gonna do the numbers off camera. So, and that's how easy it is to install vinyl decals on a vehicle. No big deal, it's very easy. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Ding the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. You want to see something else done in this channel? Let me know. And if I can, I will make a video. Thank you for watching, guys. It was a pleasure like always. I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye now. Adios. See you later.